I really hate when people start conversation by saying, "Oh my God, आप कितने मोटे हो गए? Oh my God, आप कितने पतले हो गए?" I mean, the person who has gained or lost weight is the first one to know, and they have not asked for your opinion. So don't give your precious, valuable opinion to them because they really don't want to know. And secondly, I feel that I have never commented like this or said like this to anyone. Like I've never started my conversation like this कि oh my god आपको क्या हो गया है, आप इतने पतले कैसे हो गए या मोटे कैसे हो गए. I've never done like this, and maybe because I have not done this because I am too busy looking into my flaws, looking at my flaws rather than pointing out their flaws. And if you are at the receiving end, if someone says to you like only on greeting they say कि oh my god आपको क्या हो गया, stuff like that, then you can always say कि did I ask you, मैंने आपसे पूछा. Or if you are at the saying end, I mean this is the way you start a conversation, then I really think you need to change your behavior. This is very rude, this is quite unacceptable. If someone asks you कि मैं वेट पतली होगी क्या मोटी होगी, only then I feel it's fine to share your opinion. Otherwise don't say nobody has asked for your opinion. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Inventions. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, I'm Shruti and I talk about products related to makeup, skincare and health. I speak this line very fast, I know. Okay, so today I have with me something which can be beneficial for you, and these are actually this is the Aadar Weight No More capsules. Basically these pills will help you in reducing weight and fat. So yeah, so that is how it is, and this has Garcinia, triphala and methi, and these three ingredients are very good when it comes to reducing weight. This pack of 120 capsules retails for 15.99, that is around 1600 rupees. What this says is Garcinia Cambogia, a tropical fruit also known as kokum, works like magic when it comes to weight loss, regulating appetite and burning excess body fat. It is time we let our bodies heal naturally, time we go back to those good old habits. Okay, so this Aadar brand is quite well known when it comes to products that are related to our body, our health. This brand has quite good products. You can check out their website. I'll put the link in the description box. Okay, so this has a lot of good ingredients which I'll show you because these are like tongue twisters. So I'll just show you the ingredients this has. Before getting into the details of this product, I would like to talk a little about this brand Aadar. These products are manufactured by SEWA, SEWA, and that is Self-Employed Women's Association. They employ a lot of women to manufacture these products, which is really very good. And I think that is in Ahmedabad. I'm not sure though. I think it's Ahmedabad. If you are a nature lover, if you are a vegan lover, then this is the best choice for you. The products of this brand are vegan, cruelty free, etc, etc. All the products of Aadar brand are farm sourced, and they have been tested for no heavy metals, as mostly some slimming pills they have heavy metals, and that can lead to kidney failure or organ failure in the long run. Also, this says non-GMO, and non-GMO means non-genetically modified organic products. So the products are really fresh and they are actually from your from farms. So the products are really very good. So you can be sure of purity, quality. So basically Aadar brings together science and Ayurveda to give you the best benefits. This stimulates fat burning. This also reduces your calorie intake, and this also fastens up your metabolism. That's what this claims. And as this has methi and all, methi actually I think helps in you know reducing your calorie intake. That is really true because people also claim that drinking methi water in the morning helps in reducing weight. So this has methi already in it. So how you have to take this? You have to take 2 capsules in the morning with breakfast, and you have to take 2 capsules at night with dinner with water. You have to take this, and this is very safe for daily use, as all the ingredients are natural. This is very safe for daily use, and this is how you have to take this. And okay, and also there is this kind of a barcode over here. Over there, if you will scan, you will get a free diet plan. Isn't that wonderful? Like, it's wonderful. Okay, so yeah, so I'll show you the pills and all. Opening is a big task. So upon opening, you have this kind of a plastic lid. You have to just open it, and inside there is cotton and also a silica gel just to keep this dry. And this is how the capsule is. And yeah, this is a normal sized capsule. I don't think you should have any problem consuming this. And then each capsule is, I think, 500 mg. Like, yeah, it's 500 mg, I guess. And also there is a WhatsApp number where there is written ask anything, and there is a number. So you can, if you have any doubt, you can ask on this number, or you can ask me. Yeah. There is no particular strong fragrance, just like kind of a methi, kind of a natural kind of a fragrance, not bad. When I was a kid, I always had this kind of a weird habit to open up capsules. I always liked to see what is inside this. So shall we try to open this and see how fine the powder is? I can open this though, but let's show you. What's the point? Okay. So I think this is a great buy. I think if you are on the heavier side, although gaining weight or losing weight, it's a part of life. You sometimes gain, you sometimes lose, and if you are getting uncomfortable by your weight gain, you can definitely give this a try. And this is like alone this won't help. You have to do proper diet, you have to take proper diet, and also you have to exercise, you have to work out. I mean, this will just help, this will just speeden up your process. This is not just the only solution for weight loss. Like if you take this in the morning and at night with double burst pizza, double cheese pizza, or chicken burger and everything, that won't help. I mean, you think yourself, yeah. And so obviously you need to cut down, you need to eat healthy, you need to eat wisely, and you can add this in your diet for 1600 rupees. I think this is good. There are 120 capsules, so you have to eat 4 a day, that means 30 caps. This is for 1 month, and in 1 month you can definitely notice a huge difference, because this product has a lot of good reviews on Amazon. So I would really ask you to buy this and try this for at least 1 month. You can try this, and if this works well with you, then you can order more if you want. I'll put the link down below if you want to purchase this. Non-sponsored, of course. I won't be getting anything if you click the link, mind that. Okay, so that was my small take on Aadar weight loss, Aadar weight no more pills. Give this a try, and yeah, and do share your results with me, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is this, and yeah, so I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all. Do subscribe.